Hello guys, welcome again in your writing class of your English Kaksha. In the previous class we discussed about the topic invitations. There we learned how many types of invitations are there and what are the main attributes of formal letter of invitation. Today in this class we will learn about informal letters of invitation and we will also discuss the main attributes of informal letter of invitation. So see on the board here. Informal invitations, informal as the name sounds, informal, that are usually written to friends, relatives or acquaintances. Basically these letters or these invitations follow the pattern of ordinary letters and are used to express personal expressions or emotions. Fine. So that are called informal letter of invitation. Now we will see what are the main attributes of informal letter of invitation. These are actually first person or third person presentation, means basically these are written in first person or third person, whereas formal letter of invitations are concerned, we learned that are used to write in third person. Different tenses are used in the formal letters, only present tense is used. Here we can use different tense, according to the sense we can use different tenses, and writer's address is mentioned. The salutation, when we are writing the salutation, there we will use to write dear plus name of the receiver. The date of the writing is also given, but no need to write or to mention year, in which year it is written. In the complimentary clause we will write there yours sincerely, but yours will be without apostrophes. And at the last, if we are writing the last line, that will ultimately show that the reply is expected, because in these kind of invitations no reply is asked or to give. Fine. So the last sentence, whatever is written in the invitations, that ultimately show that the reply is expected. Okay. Now we will see how we will write informal type of invitations. Now we will see how to write an informal letter of invitation. Suppose one of your friend lives at hostel and you want to invite him or her for the Diwali celebration, then how we will write informal letter of invitation and what kind of content we will use in such kind of letters. See here, first of all, on the top in the beginning we will mention the sender's address. Here I have written 315 to Raja Gardens, then city name New Delhi. After that we will leave one line and we will mention the date of writing. Then after we will use salutation with dear or name of the receiver. Here I have used dear Priyanka. The content or the tone of the content or the words that we will use in such kind of letters, that will be relaxed and informal, not formal. How to write? See here. You know that it is already known to my friend. You know that Diwali, the celebration of the festival of light, is approaching and it gives me great pleasure to invite you for Diwali celebration at my residence. So we shall have great fun. Okay, and this time also I am inviting you. This is already known to my friend that every Diwali I am inviting my friend. That's why it is called informal, not formal. It's very simple language is used here. It gives me pleasure to invite you for Diwali celebration at my residence. We shall have great fun. That's it. Do join us for the puja and Diwali celebration. Okay. After that we will write complimentary clause, yours sincerely, and then name of the sender. Here the words will be very descriptive and brief, because we are supposed to write invitations in only 50 words. Because the prescribed word limit of invitations is 50 words, whether we are writing informal or formal. Now we will see one more example of informal letter of invitation. Suppose one of your friend Nikhil has come out successful in IIT examination and he has decided to throw a party for his friends. On the behalf of Nikhil, we have to draft an invitation while giving the details of date, time and venue. How we will write? See here on the board. In the beginning or on the top we will write sender's address. I have kept the same address. Then date, and then salutation, right? Content I have used to change here, that in which way I have written, see here. Do join me on 15 November. This is the date, 15 November at 6 p.m. Time I have mentioned here because in the statement it was mentioned that you have to give the details of time, date and venue. At my residence. 3 of the things are given here. To celebrate my success in IIT entrance examination, you will meet a lot of friends of our old days and join the celebration and merrymaking, right? So in this way we can write the content in 50 words only. Then after we will write complimentary clause, yours sincerely and then sender's name. Okay, in this way we can write the content according to the statement for the informal letter of invitation. Fine. No doubt writing requires an extensive practice. So whenever you start this topic, do well. And in the next video, we will discuss about the reply on acceptance and on refusal. Right? Till then, take care and goodbye.